Good morning and happy Monday, YouTube. This is Chris from Mark Jacobson Toyota here in Durham, North Carolina. We are located at 4516 Durham Chapel Hill Boulevard. Right now, I am at our pre-owned side making this video for you of a very clean, very attractive, very awesome 2019 Ford F350 Superduty. This has a 6.7 liter Powestroke engine, also some upgrades. It has a lift kit on here with some Fox shocks on the inside, some Fox Performance Series shocks. Has some 20-inch fuel blacked out wheels on all four corners, wrapped in Nito Ridge Grappler tires. Just wanted to give you a quick video of this completely awesome all black Ford F350 Superduty. We're going to have a quick look inside. Now I'm 6 foot tall. I gotta step up into this thing. This truck is monstrous. Very cool. Superduty emblem on the dash. Have all your controls here. Low mileage on this truck. 28,000 miles, is that what that says? Ford, you know it's a good truck. They call this the Super Duty or the Super Crew. Lots of room in here. Let's step out and have a look at the back seats. The back seats of your pickup truck. Oh yeah, lots of room in here for you and your crew, your family, your co-workers. Truck does have a bed liner in the back. This is a very cool truck. I just wanted to make a video of it, show it to you, let you guys see it. Super Duty across the back. If you are interested in this awesome Ford F350, you need to give me a call. You can text me anytime, 919-724-3333. My name's Chris. Give me a call, 919-724-3333. Thank you.